How much sugar does this have? Whoa, that's sweet.
Is it sweet?
Grabe. Mga Boxy. Okay ba yung pangalan na yun? Mga Boxy.
You are my. You are my. You are.
We're making good time. Akala ko late na naman kami nagising ngayon but para sa amin maaga pa. Narinig ko na si Mariana. Mukhang gising na siya. Nagising ako maaga kanina. Napatulog ko ulit siya. By the looks of it, tamang-tama. Gising na siya ngayon. As I predicted. Pero within that time, marami akong nagawa. Nagsalang ako ng labahan. Nakagawa ako ng kape. Nakalinis ako dito konti. Kailangan na natin luto ng breakfast. Props yan, boy. Di pa yan tapos. Sasamahan ko pa yan ng itlog, kanin, and that's it. Hindi kami kakain hanggang dinner. Magti-train kami. We're gonna do a bit of training later on. Teach Kathleen how to throw that left hook. Gusto ko mga ganyang kaluto lang eh. I like it like that. Medyo nabasag yung yolk konti. Ayos lang. Yaw, no? Come on, solid oh. Solid. Ako lang mahilig sa egg sa bahay, si Kathleen, she don't like eggs. You know, tignan mo, yan ang sinasabi sa inyo, ganyan. Yan ang gusto kong itlog. Ganyan, no? Yan ang yan ang target ko. Solid! Kain na tayo! How was it? Good? Sarap yung bacon. I like this thing. Konti lang. Maganda nga to, late tayo kumain. Alam mo bakit? Para late tayo kumain mamaya. Nandito kami ngayon sa isang sports shop. Sabi ko kay Katin, kailangan kong bumili ng chinelas. Kasi yung chinelas ko, isa, wasak na. Lagi niyang sinasabi na hindi ko daw siya binibili ng kahit ano man. Now, here is your chance, Kathleen.
Mahal dito eh.
Alam mo, gusto mo?
Dress kasi di ba may party time puntahan? Dress na.
Di, matagal pa naman yun eh. Anyway, ito ang proof na mamili. Kung anong gusto niya. Dito. Oh.
Ito ako sa'yo.
Gising ka na. Yeah, it's been like mga 1 hour na. Namimili pa rin. Grabe. I can't take back what I said kasi sabi ko mamili ka eh. So, talaga. Ha? Puma. Pumapatak ka ng ilan oras doon. Ha? Hamba. Ala. Mariana's baby casting. Mariana, pakita mo Mariana. Pakita mo. Ayun. Woo! I'm gonna start cooking. So I guess I'm cooking these tonight. Huh? Raksa, lamb cutlets. Paborito ko to eh. One of my favorite. And And that have with rice as well. Meron tayong rice. Diba? We got rice as well. I gotta love these. These are the best for stiff back. Kasi my upper back, grabe. Sakit minsan. Dito ka na Mariana.
Hello to everyone. Now I want to introduce to you how to make lemon drink. Lemon drinks contains of what I use is Lipton. 5 sachet of this. Sunflower tea that you can buy in Asian store. I use this for 3 sachets because we're gonna make it for 1 liter. I put some brown sugar and I do have the gelatin that's already made is in can black lemon. Glass, put the warm water and put all stuff there, stirring till it's ready to go. And come here. I want to show you what's the ready made, which is I put ice on it so everyone can take it already.
How much sugar does this have? Whoa, that's sweet.
Is it sweet?
Grabe.
Is it sweet?
Nah, joking.
I like
You.
the corn.
This makes the dinner a lot more interesting, na? Konti lang, konti lang. Oh, sarap. Wow. Lagyan mo to.
No, sorry.
Ang sarap katinggahin.
I use my hands.
I have to take a